Welcome back to Soul Food Stories. Today we're honoring chicken necks, a dish rooted in survival, skill, and African American culinary tradition. Often dismissed as scraps, chicken necks are small, bony, and difficult to eat, qualities that made them undesirable to plantation households but valuable to enslaved cooks skilled in extraction and flavor building. They were rich in flavor and nutrients when slow cooked. From the Carolinas to the Mississippi Delta, chicken necks were commonly used in stews, gravies, and rice dishes. Slow cooking allowed marrow and collagen to enrich broths, making otherwise simple meals satisfying and nourishing. Through long simmering and careful seasoning, chicken necks became tender, savory, and deeply satisfying. Chicken necks exemplify a broader pattern in African American foodways: waste nothing, honor everything. They were not standalone meals but foundational ingredients, enhancing dishes designed to stretch resources. After emancipation, chicken necks continued to appear in black kitchens, particularly in rural areas and urban neighborhoods shaped by segregation. They remain a beloved comfort food passed down through generations. This isn't just a humble cut, it's a testament to resilience, creativity, and cultural memory. They became part of the everyday food landscape, never glamorous, always practical. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.